Guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja, and today we are back with another hair tutorial for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's roll right into the video. So for today's video, I will be working with premium lace wigs, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I received in my package, and I will be leaving the link below, so go ahead and check them out. I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I received in the package, what the wig looks like before we move into the install. But these are all the goodies we received today in our package. So this is the unit we're installing today. This is their 5x5 22-inch Afro kinky glueless unit, and this is what the unit looks like. Glueless unit, it comes with the comb inside along with the adjustable band. This is it. This one is their Afro kinky unit. I'm just going to go ahead and move along to the install. Go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation to the lace. So this is it. I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. So this is what the wig looks like now that I put it on. This is it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish styling my unit again. This unit is from Premium Lace Wigs, and this is their 22-inch 5x5 Afro Kinky Glueless unit. This is what it's looking like without any form of manipulation to the unit. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my unit. So this is the final look. I absolutely love how this turned out. It was super easy to install this unit. The hardest part was to get the curls. I actually ended up using my one curls to give me some really nice curls in there. But this is it. This is what it's looking like. Again, this unit is from Premium Lace Wigs, and this is their Afro Kinky Blonde unit, and this is how it turned out. If you want to get this unit, I will be leaving the information down below, so go ahead and check out my description. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in another video.